With this crashed 98 Sienna, you can see that not only did the van deflect away from the impact direction, but also the bumper moved. The bumper is attached to the subframe, which is the main component of the crumple zone. This means that the subframe actually crushed to efficiently dissipate the kinetic energy and channel away the crash forces. The bumper moving in one piece also transferred some of the force into the other frame rail, further improving the efficiency of the structure. This also shows how far outboard the first-gen unibody Sienna has its frame rails located. As expected, the passenger compartment remained untouched. Even in some modern unibody cars, like the Tesla Model S and Tesla Model 3, small overlap crashes totally bypass the frame rails, causing the car to not only come to an abrupt halt when the A-pillar is hit, but also deform the passenger compartment more than necessary compared to cars with a proper crumple zone like the Sienna shown here. It's clear that the first-gen bargain-priced bulletproof reliable durable practical versatile Sienna is far safer than Elon Musk would have ever dreamt his overrated overpriced overhyped poor build quality unreliable cars would be. Let's not even get started on the panel gaps and fire risks of Tesla's battery packs. Sure, Teslas have a lower rate of catching fire than the average car like the crappy Chevy Cruze, but the original Sienna is no ordinary car. It's the safest car ever, even safer than Volvo and Mercedes. As expected, fires are almost unheard of in the ultra-safe Sienna. Rude arrogant Elon Musk sucks balls. Also, did you know that Elon Musk has been illegally defying the lockdown shelter-in-place order by forcing his workers to continue working at his Fremont, California factory throughout the COVID-19 pandemic? So much for his false empty claims of car safety when his workers are being recklessly exposed to the coronavirus. Elon Musk should be placed in prison for endangering his company workers.